Hello everyone and welcome to the first video of the channel. It's a beautiful day in San Francisco and we've got a couple of great boxes to break today to start things off. A 2020-21 Panini Prizm 24-pack retail box and a 6-pack blaster box. We got a ton of great product ranging from 2020 Optic to 2021 Optic Baseball. We got some 2018 Optic Baseball with the Shohei Ohtani rookie cards. Ton of Topps Chrome, mega box with 5 autos and 2 hobby boxes with 2 autos each, some Panini's Chronicles draft picks, and then for the old school fans out there, we have some 2008 Topps Chrome hobby boxes, 2 autos each. We have the Joey Votto rookies in there, so that'll be exciting. We're gonna have new product coming in weekly. Videos might be slow to start just because I'm new to this, but let's go. Today we have, as I said, 24-pack Panini Prizm 2020-2021 retail box with 1 auto, 12 prisms, exclusive pink pulsars, and then we have a 6-box blaster box, 4 cards per pack, a guaranteed auto or memorabilia. Opened one of these last Sunday and we pulled some great cards. We got a Peyton Pritchard rookie prism. We got a LaMelo base. Not great centering. And then we got an Anthony Hardaway. I'm not sure exactly what this is, but it's a purple, I believe. Prism, not numbered. So, with that being said, I guess let's start things off with the Panini Prizm, the retail box, 24 packs, guaranteed auto, and the 6-pack blaster with guaranteed auto or memorabilia. Watched a lot of these being opened. Never seen an auto actually come out of this. I've seen a lot of memorabilia cards that are, quite honestly, pretty worthless, but let's go. So in this set we have the rookies of Anthony Edwards, Jameis Wiseman, LaMelo Ball, Isaac Okoro, Obi Toppin, who's having a heck of a run right now, and Tyrese Halliburton, who actually we were up in Sacramento last night, and we got to see them beat the Clippers. So we got 6 packs here. Feels like the thicker pack here. Relatively new to basketball, a long-time baseball collector, vintage, graded, so everything here is going to be buy, sell, or trade. So if you see anything you like, just hit me up, and we'll go. So start things off, a D'Angelo Russell base, Al Horford base, Jeremy Lamb base, and then a Cassius Winston rookie card. The second pack. Rudy Gobert, the Jazz, Emmanuel Quigley, and then a Brian Forbes. This was actually a prism in the last pack, the Jeremy Lamb. So we'll set that right there. No prisms here. Third pack. PSA 10s of the LaMelo base are going for 450, 400 to 450. 9s in the 100 to 125 range, based on the centering of the one we pulled the other day. Probably a 9. We have a purple here. DeAndre Bembry, Derek Favors, Chris Paul. Okay, not great centering, but it's not a terrible prism. And then a Theo Maledon rookie. Chris Paul and the Suns last night. Kevon Looney, hometown favorite, UCLA, now in Golden State. Belizia, another Golden State guy. David Robinson, Team USA, and then a James Johnson. Yusuf Nurkic, Aaron Gordon, Miles Bridges Green, Kamari Carroll. And then this has the memorabilia in it. Aaron Baines, Danny Granger, sensational jersey, and then an Anthony Davis dominance, and a Ramsey rookie. So that's a 6-pack blaster, a couple of rookies, a couple of inserts, 2 prisms, Aaron Baines, David Robinson USA, Belizia, Kevon Looney. Nothing too great. I have our silver prism rookie and our memorabilia card. So let's move on to the 24-pack retail box, 1 guaranteed auto, 12 prisms. Pop this one open. And we will just get going. Julius Randle, Jason Tatum, Sadiq Bey, Instant Impact, and a Devin Booker. He's not playing right now, but excited for him to come back. Pack number 2. I like the prisms, but to be honest, my favorite is probably the optic. The prisms can be pretty off-centered, and from my experience, it's been hit or miss, but I really like the look of the optic. I like the prisms, the parallels, and the autos. Chris Middleton, Norman Powell, Evan Fournier, and a Cassius Stanley, base rookie. I've opened a lot of these prisms, and I tend to be pretty disappointed with the cards I've gotten. The 6-pack blaster the other day was honestly the best that I've had so far, with the LaMelo. But it's base and pretty off-center, so yeah, there's something here. Milwaukee Bucks. John Morant, 2nd-year card, that's nice. Sophomore Stars, Kobe White, and a Joe Ingles. Spencer Dinwiddie, Lonnie Walker, Terry Rozier, red, and Elijah Hughes. First prism of the box. Actually, I take that back. Fournier was a base silver. Robert Covington, Houston Rockets. Marvin Bagley, saw him last night. Really like him. Joel Embiid, dominance, green, and then a Luke Kennard. Now a Clipper. Throw that right there. Elfrid Payton. Brandon Ingram. Tyrese Halliburton, that's nice. And then Sadiq Bey. That's a Prizm too. As we go through and edit this, we'll throw up anything with a value probably of over $20. We'll throw it on the screen, and then at the end of the video, we'll do a recap, and I'll tell you what I paid for all the boxes and the value of everything. And again, everything's buy sell trade, so if you're interested, let me know, and we can make a deal. TJ Warren, DJ Augustin, and Will Barton Prizm, and an RJ Barrett. The Prizms feel a little bit different. 24-pack box, it's a lot of packs. Not used to that these days. Patty Mills, Tony Snell, Kemba Walker, and a DeMar DeRozan. Anthony Simmons, Maxi Kleber, DeJounte Murray. Oh, and a Jameis Wiseman rookie. That's nice. I'm excited to see him back on the court. He and Clay were sent down to the G League the other day, so hopefully they'll be making their 2021 debuts in 2021. Dwayne Bacon. Oh, is this the auto? Nico Mannion. A little disappointing. And then an Isaac Okoro, rookie. Nico Mannion penmanship. Sticker auto. I think he had a little bit of health problems. There's some photos swirling around social media. He lost a lot of weight, but hopefully the best to him. Derek Jones Jr., Marquise Chris, Dwayne Wade, red, that's nice. And then a Fred VanVleet. About halfway through the box. We got our auto already. Some nice rookies. Isaac Okoro, Jameis Wiseman, John Morant, second year. Jeremy Lamb. This might be a Prizm. Nope. Nico Mannion green. And Tyrese Maxey, rookie. I'm looking for the LaMelo silver. Or anything. LaMelo. Cody Zeller. Charlotte Hornets. Jonas Valanciunas, Sadiq Bey, Sabine Lee. $96 in this box. De'Aaron Fox had a great night last night. Matisse Thybulle, Kevin Garnett, and Akira Lewis Jr. The Garnett's a Prizm. Anthony Melton, Jay Crowder, Josh Hart Prizm, and a Magic Johnson base. Dylan Brooks, Hassan Whiteside, Cole Anthony into impacts, that's nice. Magic here tomorrow night in Golden State. And then a Markelle Fultz. Powell, Dallas Mavericks, Marcus Aldridge, Kevin Durant, dominance, and then a Kevin Love. Bogdan, Lauri Markkanen, Jalen Smith, and then an RJ Hampton rookie. That's nice. Lauri Markkanen, of course, on the Cavs now. RJ Hampton rookie. I'll put that right there. Ilyasova, Chris Levert. This is a 42 actually. Jeremiah Grant. That must be the pink pulsar. It's got the pink pulsar out of 42. Number 33. Then a Xavier Tillman rookie. 5 packs left. A couple of reds, the pink pulsar, some bases, greens. We have our rookie. And then a nice Tyrese Halliburton Prizm rookie insert. And a couple more rookies over here. Cole Anthony, RJ Hampton, Isaac Okoro, Jameis Wiseman, and John Morant, not a rookie. But still a nice card. Okoro's nice and centered. Really like that Tyrese Halliburton. 5 packs left. Eric Gordon, Damian Lillard, Isaiah Stewart, and a Kyle Kuzma. Nikola Vucevic, Orlando Magic, DeAndre Jordan, Joel Embiid, and Tobias Harris. Donovan Mitchell, Kevin Garnett, CJ Ellaby, Onyeka Okongwu, Atlanta Hawks rookie. Two packs left. Marcus Smart, Boston Celtics. Anthony Hardaway, Steph Curry, USA. That's a nice card, and a Peyton Pritchard rookie. It's the one we got the Prizm of the other day. It's a nice card. Last pack. Clint Capella. Marcus Morris Sr. Of course, Brandon Ingram Prizm, and a Brandon Clark. And so that's it. 30 packs. 120 cards. Let's just go through a recap. Brandon Ingram, silver base Prizm. CJ Ellaby, red Prizm. Evan Fournier, silver base Prizm. Will Barton, silver base. Josh Hart, KG. Nico Mannion, green. DeJounte Murray, Dwayne Wade. It's actually nicely centered. Terry Rozier. And then Jeremiah Grant, 33 out of 42, pink pulsar. The Tyrese Halliburton, emergent rookie, silver Prizm. Steph Curry, USA base. Peyton Pritchard rookie. RJ Hampton rookie. Cole Anthony, rookie insert, instant impact. Isaac Okoro, nicely centered. James Wiseman, it's also nicely centered. And then a John Morant. So thanks for watching, everybody. We'll be back with the second video, more box breaks. And this is TradingCards. Thanks again for tuning in. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. We're also on Instagram, Pack Heights Collectibles. So go ahead and give us a follow, and see you guys later.